today's video, I'm going to tell you how the loan service estimator works, and how you can get a loan service quote for how much it will cost for you to charge your client when they are doing your loan or whatever, vice versa. So let's say if you rent most someone's loan, you tell your client how much you're paying, they have to pay you, and then how much they have to charge you and whatever. So first of all, you extract this file. So it's called Loan Service Estimator. There'll be a download in the description of this video. You click extract here, this button here, and then you'll find this folder. You open it. If there's any antivirus programs you have, basically disable them or ignore any of the pop-ups that will proceed, because there might be. It's not a virus, it's very trustworthy tool. You double click the application file, which is in the first folder after extracting it, and the program will just start running like this. So what you have to do here is called Loan Cost Estimator. Amount of lawns. So enter lawn information. Let's say if you're mowing 2 lawns, let's say the back lawn and the front lawn, you put 2 in here, and hours you take. Let's say you take 2 hours, and you click estimate. That will cost. They have to pay you £80 for all your work. If you only done 1 lawn and it took you 1 hour, it would cost them £20 for 1 hour. So if you had 2 lawns and it took you 1 hour, it would be £40, and hours you took 2 lawns and 2 hours, it would be 80. Let's say if they had 4 lawns and it took you 4 hours, it would be £320, and you basically get the picture. So let's say if you've done 1 lawn and it didn't even take you an hour, it only cost you 0. So you must have a lawn amount of hours default. You must have at least 1 hour to be paid. Okay, so that's the tutorial. The download in the description. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Share this loan estimator all around. Peace.